Hi, I'm Angela, and this is this week's Wellness Minute from Women's Center for Wellness. Today I'm going to be discussing different topics regarding urinary incontinence. It's a silent problem that millions of women suffer from, but nobody wants to talk about, and many women just accept it as a natural part of the aging. Very often it occurs after having children, but it can also occur for women that haven't had children. There are two primary types of incontinence. One is leakage, which is called stress incontinence, that occurs when you have a little strain, such as a sneeze or lifting something. The other type is urge incontinence. This often is associated with a trigger, such as hearing running water or pulling up into your driveway after a shopping trip. Both of these types of incontinence are treatable and very often are preventable. What I want to talk about today is how can we prevent these, and if it does already occur for you, how can you treat it? The primary form of treatment should be exercise, and it's a very specific but a very simple type of exercise known as a Kegel. What many women don't understand is how to properly perform a Kegel, and what they also don't realize is that there are different types of Kegel exercises to be done. The easiest way to start is by stopping your flow of urine while urinating. You only do this one time to see if you can determine whether or not you can actually contract the muscles of your pelvic floor. This is the Kegel. If you know that you can do this, then you want to start doing them on a regular basis when you're doing functional tasks such as sitting at a red light or walking around the house or picking up your child. You want to do some where you hold it only for 2 to 3 seconds, but then you also want to do a Kegel contraction where you hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Very often you won't be able to do it that easily at the start, but over time and with practice you should not have any problems performing both types of Kegel exercises. But again, the most important thing to remember is to incorporate into your regular activities, but not to do it on a regular basis during urination. Although urinary incontinence is a common problem, it's not one that you have to live with. You need to discuss this with your healthcare provider, or feel free to contact us at the Physical Therapy Department at Women's Center for Wellness. For more information on urinary incontinence or for more wellness tips, visit womans.org/wellnessminute.